Bauer Foundation Corp is a very experienced contractor that has executed numerous cut-off wall projects. At Herbert Hoover Dike alone, Bauer has installed about 35 miles of cut-off wall.
As a general contractor, we self-perform pre-drilling, cutter soil mix, and jet grouting. And we also manage subcontractors for earthwork, testing, and restoration. At Herbert Hoover Dike, we strive to succeed and maintain a safe working environment to all our crew working around the lake.
Lake Okeechobee is the largest freshwater lake in Florida and the second largest in the US. In the early 1900s, the original levees around Lake Okeechobee were constructed to help prevent the lake overflowing. In its current state, the dike is still susceptible to seepage and potential erosion. Since 2008, Bauer have been involved in several cut-off wall projects on the Herbert Hoover Dike, working both for the US Army Corps of Engineers and general contractors.
For the Herbert Hoover Dike project, the geotechnical data report shows in a flood event, the elevated pool causes seepage. The seepage was observed to cause internal erosion, also called piping. This could lead to a catastrophic failure of the levee. The cut-off wall literally cuts off those dangerous seepage paths.
We work with a rolling platform, which includes a variety of features of work for the project, starting with platform construction, followed by pre-drilling. We follow that with our cutter soil mixing method, which is then tested through verification drilling. Upon completion of that activity, we remove the platform and recycle it to the front end, which leaves the embankment for restoration to its original condition.
The cutter soil mix technique consists of injecting grout while mixing the soil using our cutter wheels. This procedure allows us to execute a cut-off wall that is impermeable, allowing us to fulfill the quality requirements set by the client. The jet grout process consists of drilling using a small diameter to the design depth and eroding using high velocity grout to form a column. The jet grouting allows us to connect the cutter soil mix wall with existing structures around the dike.
The steps of the verification process is first of all to lay out the position as stipulated by the client, then to define a design depth according to the bottom of the wall. Then we get our subcontractor, we drill to the bottom of the wall and we get the cores in 5-foot increments. We log them, we photograph them, test the cores and we test the wall. The core segments are stored in individual boxes, they are stored off-site and the cores are tested for unconfined compressive strengths by an accredited laboratory. So once the drilling is complete, the borehole is saturated for 24 hours. Then a falling head test is performed to get the permeability results. And after there is a camera survey with optical televiewer and closed-circuit television.
These projects give us another opportunity to demonstrate that Bauer isn't just a manufacturer of specialist foundation equipment. We have the tools, the equipment and the personnel to bid, plan and execute these major projects. These projects have also given us the opportunity to create jobs, to train people in specialist foundation techniques and equipment. Now the goal is to retain these people for future projects both in the US and globally.